Unscrew the VAT ring screws. Use a pointy tool to remove the ring from the VAT. Put the screws in isopropyl alcohol. Scrub the ring from hardened resin. Cure the entire area after everything is unscrewed. Use the FEP film and its screens while you install the FEP film. Put the FEP film in between the rings. Use the FEP film protective screens. Screw in the screws to secure the FEP film in between the screws. Scrub the resin frame from debris and hardened resin. Use hard tools and isopropyl alcohol. Cut away the excess FEP film from the outside of the FEP film rings and use clamps to keep the screens on top of the FEP film to protect it from debris. Corners are a little bit more difficult. Install the rings with the FEP film at the bottom of the vat and use the screws to perforate the FEP film to secure the rings at the bottom of the vat. Finish screwing the screws at opposite ends and then store away your vat or put it back in your 3D printer.